toilet.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to I Do It. I'm Jeremy. Thanks for stopping by. And if you can't tell, I did end up getting plastic up on the windows, and it's been a few days, and I can definitely tell the difference between having the plastic on and not having the plastic on. So, let's get into it. This is the kit that we used. We ordered off Amazon. It was $18.99. And as you can see, the sheets are 42 inches wide by 62 inches tall. Two windows are 70 inches wide by 56 inches tall. So we're going to need 2 sheets per bay window. So you can buy specialized sheets for odd windows, specifically like the bay window or my other windows, as we'll see as we get further into the video. But one sheet is basically $20, whereas the kit that we ordered had 9 sheets in it for $20. And so I just spent an extra $3 on some clear packaging tape. And I'm just going to tape those two things together. I think that's about as good as it's gonna get. And then we rinse and repeat on the other bay window.
Onyx looks unimpressed.
Each window took about 40 minutes to complete from start to finish, and that was with taping, cleaning, and then taping the 2 sheets down the center.
And in my opinion, this is the reason why you would spend money to buy one of these kits, is that you can see through it. It's not blocking anything. It just looks like it's not even there.
So one of the main reasons that we did this was we were feeling the cold air coming in. I like having the drapes open for natural light, and I felt that that was going to be hard to do this year because we felt the cold air draft coming in from the windows. And like I said, I can definitely tell the difference. It is still colder right here, but if you're sitting where Onyx is right now, and you were just watching my son play around and stuff like that, you would feel it in your legs and on your arms, where you can still kind of feel it, but it's definitely not as bad.
This is my basement window, right next to the bookshelf, as you can see, and right above the couch where I sit right in this corner to watch TV. So I did wait till the next day. This one only took me about 20 minutes to complete, and as I said, the two bay windows took about 40 minutes apiece, so a little longer than I was anticipating, but we got them done. Kind of wish I would have continued this at night, because it doesn't look like heating the plastic showed up as well during the day, which kind of sucks.
And that's pretty much the same story with this window as well. We're sitting here in this spot on the couch, you could definitely feel cold coming in. You could feel it on your legs and definitely on the side. And we were constantly using throw blankets. Now, it's not perfect. My wife still uses a throw blanket because she still gets cold. But, like I was saying up there, you can definitely tell the difference. So, the two bay windows and the window down here in the basement were the two most important ones. Because the two bay ones obviously are the biggest ones that let in the most natural light. But also because we're in the kitchen, we're on the couch, we're down on this couch watching TV. So, after those were done, then we worked on our bedroom, our son's bedroom, and then the nursery. After that, we did the kitchen window above the sink, and then we didn't have as many sheets of plastic that I had originally calculated. Because I don't think I was planning on doing the kitchen window because we didn't really feel a draft coming through there. But anyway. And that is for the laundry room window, which you will see I did it in the kind of the way I think it should be done. Now, last week I made this comment. Plastic over the windows and talking about kind of how I view that. And let me try to explain what I mean by that. In my opinion, the only reason to buy the kit is so it looks invisible, if you care about that sort of thing. Me personally, I do not.
Honestly, I think instead of buying a kit every year, money would be better spent in buying heavy-duty sheets of plastic like I'm going to use on my laundry room window, and just reusing that plastic every year with packaging tape. Why? Well, the plastic is going to be a one-time purchase. It's more heavy-duty, and you're using packaging tape to seal it off, which, believe it or not, peels rather nicely. So it leaves, the edges of the plastic in good condition. It doesn't rip or tear it. In my experience, the kit's double-sided tape is hard to peel off when you're all done with it at the end of the season. And if you do end up getting it all off, it does still kind of leave a bit of a sticky residue, which, you know, comes off with like Goo Gone or something like that. But in my opinion, why have to do that if you just use packaging tape? So that's kind of my opinion on the plastic window kits. I think money is better spent in a more permanent plastic as opposed to a one-time use and then throw it away at the end of the year. Now, I did demonstrate that with this window specifically because I think I might leave it up permanently. The plastic is opaque. It lets natural light in. I am thinking about taking this blind down just outside that window before were our neighbors' bedrooms. So having that blind up made sense. But now that we have put up the privacy fence, you can no longer see the neighbors' windows from down there. So there's really no need for the blinds as far as privacy goes. I'd rather have the natural light. And here's the finished product. Not too bad. And I actually doubled it up because why not?
Working with just regular 6 to 10 mil plastic with clear packaging tape works just as good. That I did mention was failure. In my experience, a lot of times, especially at the corners, the tape will peel off or the cling wrap will separate. I think that could be due to over shrinking and making it, the tension too tight. In those cases, I just reinforce it with a little bit of packaging tape. But if you got value out of this video or you found it in any way entertaining, thank you. But subscribe for more because I do plan on doing an update specifically if that happens. Yeah. That's going to do it for me. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Hopefully, I'll see you around. Hey, are you guys still here? Well, if you liked that video, maybe you'll like one of these videos as well. I really appreciate it. Thanks again. See you around.